Signing up for formal language classes is essential. A good English course can offer structured learning environments with qualified instructors who can guide you through the grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary.
In the digital age, language learning apps such as Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, and Babbel are increasingly popular. They offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and progress tracking, making language learning accessible and fun.
In my opinion, studying texts in English is a dynamic approach to language learning. They enrich your vocabulary, improve your grammar, deepen your cultural understanding, and increase your confidence.
Watching movies, TV shows, or listening to music in your target language exposes you to authentic accents, slang, and cultural references. It's a fun way to improve your listening skills and expand your vocabulary.
Reading books, newspapers, and online articles in the language you are learning is excellent for improving your understanding and expanding your vocabulary. Start with children's books if you're a beginner and work your way up.
Traveling to a country where the language is spoken forces you to use it daily for practical purposes. It's a total immersion experience that can accelerate your language skills.
Online communities, forums, and social media groups dedicated to language learning can be a valuable resource. You can ask questions, share experiences, and get support from other students.
Reading a variety of texts, such as literature or news articles, helps you to get used to different writing styles. This improves your vocabulary and comprehension skills.
The best way to learn a new language is through consistent practice and repetition. Daily practice of reading, writing, speaking, and listening is crucial. This regular engagement helps reinforce vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures.
Joining language learning groups provides a guided learning experience. Interaction with teachers and peers, along with organized lesson plans, helps learners stay on track and receive immediate feedback.
One of the fundamental aspects of language learning is listening. Movies and music offer a wide range of listening opportunities, helping you train your ear to understand different accents, pronunciations, and speaking speeds.
Language learning is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Accepting mistakes, learning from them, and consistently working to improve are vital elements in the journey of mastering a new language. It's important to stay committed and not get discouraged by challenges along the way.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.